Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Ultimate Love Arnold and Bolanle steps out looking amazing and gorgeous in new photos. Bolanle and Arnold fans are currently in tears of joy as their ultimate love couple dazzles in amazing new photos. Arnold, who took to his Instagram account to share the amazing photos, also said a whole lot of things about Bolanle that has got their fans to drop tears of joy. According to Arnold, just look at my new wallpaper. The strongest action for a woman is to love herself. Be herself and shine shine amongst those who never believed she could. A strong woman builds her own world. A strong woman wears her pain like they do. A strong woman brings peace to the table. A strong woman compliments and supports a goodwill man. At official Bolanle Babs, my version of a strong woman. In the photo Arnold shared, she was seen hugging Bolanle in a romantic way. He also shared a photo where also the backside of Bolanle was showing. Oh my god. Honestly, Arnold and Bolanle are surely doing well despite all predictions that they might separate after the love show. Reacting to the photos, their fans were in the view that they look beautiful together and can't wait for the day they will get married. Okay guys, enjoy and stay safe.